2013 Softail Slim. Let's see, how do I get this thing to start? Oh. Yeah.
Harley Davidson Softail Slim is equipped with a 103 twin cam. This bike weighs just under 700 pounds, but its 103 cubic inch twin cam makes up for all that weight by making over 100 pound-feet of torque. The CVO Softail Convertible is a little bit heavier than the Softail Slim, but it's equipped with a 110 cubic inch Screaming Eagle twin cam engine. This 110 cubic inch Screaming Eagle twin cam is a lot bigger, makes a lot more power, and makes way more torque than the Softail Slim. No matter how good of a launch I could have had on either bike, the outcome would remain the same. The CVO Softail Convertible is just the higher performing motorcycle.